If you're an Excel user, then you need to learn VBA today. Here's why. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. It's a powerful programming language built right into Excel. Think of VBA as your personal assistant, ready to automate those repetitive tasks that take up your time. Writing macros in VBA can save you hours on data manipulation and report generation. But that's not all. VBA lets you create custom functions tailored to your needs. Add new calculations and logic that Excel's built-in functions just can't handle. Need to integrate Excel with other Office applications or external data sources? VBA's got you covered. Automate data imports, generate reports in Word, or interact with databases seamlessly. And the best part? VBA is event-driven. That means you can write code that responds to user actions like clicking a button or changing a cell value. Excel's built-in VBA editor makes writing, editing, and debugging your code a breeze. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always be mindful of macro security. So what are you waiting for? Dive into VBA and take your Excel skills to the next level today.